Well, for obeying God's commandments is the simple answer to the question. More specifically, there's a great theme that runs throughout the Old and the New Testament concerning what's important to God, what's in God's heart, what does He want to see? He wants to see justice and righteousness done. In Hebrew, mishpat and tzedakah. So this is in the Old Testament, it's in the New Testament, it's obviously very important. And so doing justice and righteousness would be the kinds of good works that God's going to reward. And what that would look like, in particular, would be doing things to make sure that those who normally don't receive justice and righteousness, the poor, the helpless in society, the defenseless in society, are particularly the ones that God calls out as being ones that He wants to see helped so that they receive justice and righteousness. To add some more to that, you've got the great commandment, the second great commandment, to love your neighbor. So acts of love toward your neighbor would certainly be in that category, and even loving your enemies. In particular, maybe loving your enemies. In Matthew, Jesus talks about that you'll be greatly rewarded when you're reviled and persecuted for the sake of His name. And when we love our enemies, we're really reflecting God's love toward them. It's God's heart toward those who hate Him to lavish His grace on them. So everything that's commanded by God to the believer would certainly be in that category, but I think particularly doing justice and righteousness, loving one's neighbor and even one's enemy.